cast of Love Aajkal, top-lining Saif Ali Khan, sugar and spice girl Deepika Padukone and director Imtiaz Ali made it to the first edition of the screen preview. It is a teaser to the season's most anticipated movies.
It seemed to me, given my personality and the kind of film that we were looking at making, that a love story would be what we want to do.
So apart from the fact that I think I'm extremely honoured and privileged to have got the opportunity to work with Imtiaz and with Saif and to be a part of this film, it's just the entire thing that makes it special for me.
I don't watch too many love stories, but I keep it very simple. When the time comes that I have to decide to make a movie, I see which one is the story that's floating in my mind and becoming a very important thing for me to do, and can't really not make this movie, and I just go for it.
I mean, everyone says different, but we'd like to have an edge to our films that sets it apart slightly. And when you see the film and you look at the boldness, I believe, of the subject matter, and the fact that Imtiaz brought this script to us, I think collectively we decided that this is the film we'd like to go for.
I think when you go in for a narration, you can instantly tell when you connect with the script and you really want to be a part of a film. And I think somewhere Imtiaz was very sure of casting me in the film, and I relate to the character a lot. I've always said that I think as an actor, either the character that you're offered is very similar to the kind of person that you are, or very different. And in this case, it's so similar to the kind of person that I am.
Like, I feel Deepika has a earthy quality and grounds my personality on screen. When you see the two of them together, it looks like a complete package. And it's not important for people to have it to have a liking for each other in real life, to have sizzling chemistry on screen. I think both Deepika and I were on the phone pretty much after the cut.
Someone himself from me.
Certainly both of us were involved very much so with other people personally while filming the film. But when you see it on screen, I think our chemistry is great. So it's an example yet again of how that's not really, it can only come from a script. Like real life couples don't make for very interesting viewing. Perhaps lack of tension.
Sure. Yeah.
I was alone in the editing room and I laughed and I felt great and I started jumping up and down and I got very excited. And then later on I started getting worried.
Love Aajkal releases on July 31st and is one of the most eagerly awaited films this year.